Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you have joined me. Today we're going to work on some ephemera tags. But first, a shout out to Susan, Billy, Julie, Nancy, and Joanne. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, guys, we're back with our little scrap busting little lines of scraps. I think I'd like to choose this one right here. We're going to take our tags and we're going to make some little tabs on the top of our tags, and I'm going to just, whoop, that's the wrong ruler, guys. I wanted my tear ruler, so let me push this fabric out of the way and decide here I would like to rip it down this way, and then I'm going to have to look at my tag. These are beautiful tags that I have gone ahead and cut out, and I have backed with beet dyed coffee paper and sewn around the outside. I also rounded the corners and I inked it around with that Victorian velvet. So I was just going to look to see. I don't need it to be real wide, the tag. Don't want that. I might need to take this down just a little bit more. Oh, you guys, the storms are starting to crop up. Oh yes, I think we're in for a very bumpy ride. Yes, I am. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the horses. Leave them out? Put them in? I don't know what to do with them. I haven't decided. I got to do it before it gets dark. It's not dark yet. I mean, it's only, what is it, 3:26 right now. I'm filming this in advance because it's Mother's Day weekend, and I had a huge amount of arrangements to make for the market. So I'm trying to just get ahead of the game here so that I will have enough arrangements, hopefully, for the people who want them. I'm not sure. I keep selling out, which is a good thing. Oh my gosh, this is going to look absolutely gorgeous. All right. So I am going to go ahead and ink around the edge, and then I will show you how that looks. Okay, guys, I've got it all inked around the edge, and I'm just going to kind of see where I want to go with this and cut it. Go ahead and cut that and try to ink that without getting all the fabric in the way. Put that right on there. I think that's going to be lovely. I'm not too sure. That's not a little too big. Might need to take that down just a little bit. I'm going to have to save that little piece for a cluster or something like that. Okay, now I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here. While this glue is coming down, I also would like to add a little bit of music paper down here just to tie the music paper that's going at the top in the tag, the pull, I guess is the word for it. I want them to be cohesive, so I think I would like to go ahead and put this right here. I think I want that underneath that, like this. I have changed my camera setup, and I haven't learned exactly where the sweet spot is yet for y'all to see everything. I apologize for that. I'm trying to concentrate on what that spot is so you can see what I'm doing. So we're going to put it right here, and then we're going to fold it over and close it. I put glue all over that. Got some movement going in there. Oh, I think it's really pretty. Really pretty. All right, let's go ahead and make another one. I'm not sure, do we want something else? Do we want any type of let me look here real quick. We've got these. We could put this. That is really pretty. I think I have a pink one maybe. Yes, I do. I do have a pink one. So it looks like this. That's pretty too. Yes, I do think I'd like one of these on there. It just adds a little something. There really is a right and a wrong, but I guess it doesn't really matter. I think I'd like to place that right there. Oh yes, I like that. All right, let's go ahead and do this one. I'm going to go ahead and get this laid down here. And I think I'm going to put this right here going this way, maybe. No, this way's better. I like that way. All right, so now we need to decide. Don't need it to be quite as large as I had made that other one. This, we can glue that down. That didn't get all sewn all the way. Or do we want this side? Let's look. I think I like this side. All right, I am going to glue this down just a little bit. This didn't quite get stitched all the way. So I'm going to put that underneath that pretty little white crocheted trim there. So much glue. And I'm just going to put the glue right on here. So when I fold it, it will be completely glued. Did we decide? We decided this side, I do believe. This way. We're going to fold it over. Oh my goodness, is that not absolutely adorable? So adorable and very easy and quick. Like I said before in my other videos, the thing that takes the most time is sewing, going through your ephemera box of scraps and sorting out the small ones and sewing it onto either a book page or I use music paper. Oh my goodness, isn't that pretty? You know what? Let's go the extra mile. Actually, it's not a mile, but we're going to go the extra step. Why is that not really sticking on there? And let's put, get off of my finger, let's put a piece of, not a piece, a flat backed pearl right here in the middle. Oh yes, that's just the thing it needed. Oh my goodness, is that not pretty? I'm loving them. All right, we've got some more here. If you'd like to watch a few more, that would be wonderful if you would stay with me. We can do a little bit more crafting. I do enjoy it. I know I really should be making arrangements, but I can't help it. I like doing this too. I have two loves. Two loves. Okay, so now let's decide on the length of this one. I think maybe I'm going to have to glue that down like we did the other one. I think about right here. Get that glued. Now, this one only got caught right there at the top, so we're going to have that glued down so it just will be a little more put together, shall we say. It won't be flopping around as much, although movement's good, but you know, you don't need it just to be flopping around something terrible. Okay, let's put some glue down and fold it over and get it on our tag. I think I want this black on the front. Yes, I do. Just as simple as that. Oh, yummy. Now, do we want a white one or a pink one? Where'd the pink ones go? Let me see. Oh, I want a pink one. So let's get the pink one on there. Put that right on there like that. Now a little tiny dollop in the middle. And get my pen. Lift off that. I don't need two, I just need one. I've got so much glue all over me. There we go. There we go. Now I can get these picked up, get this pearl off my finger. My goodness gracious. All right, guys. I'm reaching over here to get this one. That's a beauty. And that's a beauty. And I'm loving this black lace on here. Oh, you guys, I enjoyed spending time with you. And I'd love to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.